Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today we learn about inequalities. So inequalities, ketaksamaan. Okay. So definition inequality as a mathematical sentence form. Okay, so this one is. Okay, so this one is typo kat situ. Form by relating two expression to each other. Okay, so there are four symbol inequalities. So first we have greater than. Okay, so this one greater than. Okay, so kalau kita letak satu palang kat sini, dia akan jadi B. Okay, so B besar. So this one greater than, and second greater than or equal to. Okay, so ada palang kat bawah tu bermaksud equal. Okay, so sama B. Okay, so third less than. Okay, so this one become K, kecil, so it is less than. And last one less than or equal to. Okay, next. Okay, so how to representing inequalities in different form. Okay, there are three different form. First, inequality form. So inequality form, there are symbol of greater than, less than, and so on. Interval form, in term of bracket, and real number lines. Okay, so last time you already learned what is number line. Okay, so x greater or equal to 3, so meaning from 3 until infinity. So from 3 until infinity. Okay, so at infinity we use open bracket, and at 3, so we use close bracket. Okay, so why close bracket? Because there is symbol of equal. Okay, so there is equal sign. Okay, so for real number lines, okay, so we put 3. Okay, so letak nombor 3 saja, infinity tu tak payah. So infinity at the right side. Okay, so 3, for 3, since we take number 3, there is equal sign, so we use dot. Okay, and then draw an arrow to the right. Okay, so second, x less than negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 to the left, so meaning from negative infinity until negative 2. Okay, so negative infinity we always use open bracket, and at negative 2, since there is no equal sign, so we use open bracket. Okay, so for the real number line, okay, so put number negative 2, and then since there is no equal sign, so we use circle and draw an arrow to the left. Okay, so next, second, x between negative 1 and 5, and we can take negative 1. Okay, so from negative 1 until 5. Okay, so at 5 there is no equal sign, we use open bracket, and negative 1 there is equal sign, so we use close bracket. Okay, so for the number line, so put number negative 1 and 5. Okay, okay, so don't put like this, here 5 and here negative 1. Okay, so this one wrong. Okay, so negative 1 close bracket and there is equal sign, so we put dot. 5 open bracket, there is no equal sign, so we put circle and draw a line connecting these two. Okay, okay, so next, solving inequalities. Okay, so there are 4 types inequalities. Linear inequalities. Okay, so linear inequality, here the examples. 2x plus 1 less than or equal to 3x, or less than 3x, and 2x minus 5 over 3 greater than or equal to 2x. Okay, so linear inequalities. Okay, so linear, okay, so refer pada x, tengok kuasa paling tinggi untuk x. Okay, so the greatest power of x. So the greatest power of x is only 1. here 1, here 1, here 1, and here 1. So therefore it is linear inequality. So for the quadratic inequality, okay, so this one is the first example, and this one second example. Okay, so kita tengok the highest power of x here is 2, and here is also 2. So therefore it is quadratic. Next, rational inequality. So rational inequality, this one the example. Okay, so 5x minus 2 over x greater or equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so macam mana nak detect rational? So this one dalam bentuk pecahan. Okay, so tapi yang ni bukan. Okay, so this one not. Okay, this one not. Why? Because denominator only number. Okay. Okay, so kita tengok pada x dia. Okay, so contoh kalau yang ni rational inequality, dia ada x dekat bawah ni, pembawah dia ada x. So kita consider dia sebagai rational inequality. Kalau yang ni tadi, so ni bawah dia 5 sahaja, tak ada x. Yang ni pun bawah dia 3, tak ada x. Okay. So last one is absolute value inequality. Okay, so there is modulus here. So modulus 3x minus 1 less than 3, and modulus 5 minus 2x over 3 greater than 6. Okay, so today we will learn how to solve these three first: linear inequality, quadratic inequality, and rational inequality. Okay, so for the linear inequalities, okay, so here multiplication or division of a negative value must change the inequality sign. So untuk mana-mana inequality, semua kita pakai konsep ni. Kalau kita darabkan dengan negative number, darab ataupun bahagi, so kita akan ubah simbol inequality tu. Okay, so for example this one. Okay, so 2x plus 1 less than 3x. Okay, so collect x with x. We have 2x minus 3x less than negative 1. Okay, so we have negative x less than negative 1. So negative times by x. So bring to the left, become divide. Okay, so you have x less than negative 1 divided by, so negative. So what? So negative 1. Because this one negative, actually there is no number here, actually negative 1. Okay, okay, so my mistake this one. Okay, so you should change the symbol become greater than, because divide the negative number. So therefore we have the answer x. Okay, so the answer x greater than 1. Okay, so another example. Okay, so here 1 greater than 2x plus 5 divided by negative 3 and greater than or equal to negative 6. Oh, before that. Okay, so before that, the first one. So the answer give the answer in inequality form. Okay, so already in inequality form. Okay, so second. Okay, so this one you need to divide into 2. So first we have 1 greater than 2x plus 5 divided by negative 3. And second we have 2x plus 5 divided by negative 3 greater or equal to negative 6. Okay, so this one you can do cross multiplication, negative 3 times by 1. So here times or multiply by negative number, so the symbol should be changed. So you have negative 3 less than or equal to 2x plus 5, and then solve. So you have negative 3 minus 5 less than 2x. Okay, so you have negative 8 less than 2x, and negative 8 divided by 2, here multiplication, so brings to the left, become divide. So negative 8 divided by 2, negative 4 less than x. So you have x greater than negative 4. So yang ni korang terbalikkan je. Negative 4 less than x, so terbalikkan dia jadi x greater than negative 4. Okay, so for the second one, okay, so this one times to the right. Okay, so you have 2x plus 5. Okay, so times by negative number, so we change the symbol, become less than or equal to 18. Okay, so negative, positive 3 times 6, 18. Okay, so next you have 2x less than or equal to 18 minus by 5, which is 13. Okay, so you have x less than or equal to 13 over 2. Okay, so next, since from the first one and second one the relationship is n, so we need to find the intersection between these two. Okay, so draw number line, put the number. So this one is negative 4 and second is 13 over 2. Okay, so first one, x greater than negative 4, then there is no equal sign, so draw a circle and arrow to the right. Second, there is equal sign, so draw a dot and draw an arrow to the left. Okay, so intersection, persilangan persilangan antara dua line ni, so here. Okay, so meaning x at the middle between negative 4 and 13 over 2. Okay, so the answer in interval form, so you can write down x element in, so negative 4 circle, so we use open bracket, and then 13 over 2 dot, so we use close bracket. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next, quadratic inequalities. Okay, so nak selesaikan quadratic inequalities ni, so biasanya kita kena factorize. Okay, so untuk factorize, first we need to simplify the equation first. Okay, so we have here 3x plus 2 square, so we need to expand this one. So you have 3x square, which is 9. Okay, so 9x square, positive 2 times 2, positive 4, positive 4 times 3x, positive 12x, and positive 2 power of 2 is positive 4, less than 144 x square minus by 288 x plus 144. Okay, so next, simplify. Okay, so untuk factorize nanti, so saya biasa recommendkan kita pindah, kita tengok x kuasa 2 ni perkali dia. Okay, so kita pindah supaya dia tidak negatif nanti. Okay, so sebagai contoh, this one 144 and this one 9. So yang ni better kita pindah pergi ke kanan Sebab 144 tolak 9 kita akan dapat positif. Kalau yang besar ni kita pindah ke kiri, so dia akan jadi tolak. 9 tolak 144 nanti akan jadi negatif. Bukan apa, nanti nak factorize tu complicated lah kalau x square tu negatif. Okay, so now since this one we bring to the right, so all of this one also we bring to the right. Kita pindah ke kanan semua. So the left side only, left 0, less than 144x square. Okay, so positive 9x square to the right become minus 9x square, and then minus 288x, positive 12x bring to the right become negative 12x, and then plus 144 and positive 4 bring to the right become minus 4. Okay, so simplify, you have 0 less than 135x square and minus 300x plus 144 minus 440. Okay. So next, terbalikkan dia. 135x square minus 300x plus 140 greater than 0. Okay, so since this one CF5, 300 also CF5, 140 also CF5, so we divide all of this one with 5. Okay, so 135 divided by 5, so we have 27x square minus 60x plus 28 greater than 0. 0 divided by 5, 0. Okay, so next, factorize. So factorize, you have 9x minus 14 and 3x plus 2 greater than 0. Okay, so now we refer to this one. Okay, so after this we find the critical value. Okay, so critical value. So we have the first one, first bracket and second bracket. So we take the first bracket, 9x minus 14 equal to 0. Okay, so critical value ni actually lebih kepada punca. Okay, so x bersamaan dengan 14/9. And for the second, we have 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So you have x equal to negative 2/3. Okay, so next. Okay, so to solve this one, so first, after you have the critical value, you need to draw an interval table. Okay, so draw one number line and put the number. So we have negative 2/3 and 14/9. So put here negative 2/3 and here 14/9. Wait. I make a mistake here. So this one should be negative, not plus. Because negative 14 times negative 2 positive 28. So this one is negative and this one is positive. Okay, so this one is positive. Okay, so this one negative, so this one also negative, and this one is positive. Okay, so you have 2 over 3 and 14 over 9. Okay, so there are 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So this one better you put like this lah. Okay, so like a table. Okay, so first one you have 9x minus 14, and second we have 3x minus 2. Okay, so there are 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3. So for the first one, choose any value, we call it as test value. So before 2 over 3, let's say we choose 0, and then between 2 over 3 and 14 over 9, so we choose let's say 1. Okay, and then last one after 14 over 9, so we choose 2. Okay, so nombor-nombor ni make sure dia ada dalam bahagian masing-masing lah. Kalau yang pertama ni lagi kecil daripada 2/3, so yang tengah-tengah ni di antara 2/3 dan 14/9, dan yang last kali ni yang ketiga ni lagi besar daripada 14/9. Okay. Okay, so for the first one, okay, so 0 substitute into 9x minus 14, so we have 9 times 0, 0, 0 minus 14 is negative. So we just take the symbol, so value no need. Okay, so next 3x minus 2, so substitute into this one, we have negative 2, so the answer negative. Okay, so for 1, substitute into 9x minus 14, so we have 9x minus 14, 9 times 1 minus 14, also negative. And substitute 1 into 3x minus 2, so 3 times 1, 3 minus 2, positive 1. And number 2, substitute into 9x minus 14, so we have 18 minus 14, positive. And 2 substitute into 3x minus 2, we have 6 minus 2, which is 4, so positive. Okay, so kita tengok tadi 9x tolak 14 dan 3x tolak 2 adalah darab. Okay, so try. Okay, so we need to find 9x minus 14 times by 3x minus 2. Okay, so kita darabkan simbol ni. So negative times by negative, we have positive. Negative times positive, we have negative. And positive times by positive, we have positive. Okay, so kembali kepada 9x minus 14 times 3x minus 2 greater than 0. So we need this one, greater than 0. So greater than 0 meaning the positive number. So we choose positive. Okay, so kita pilih bahagian yang positif, ada 1, 2, 3 bahagian. So meaning bahagian pertama dan bahagian ketiga. So for the first section, so we have x less than 2 over 3. And union for the last section 14 over 9. X greater than 14 over 9. Because dia duduk pada bahagian yang 3 lagi besar daripada 14/9. Okay, so ada equal sign ke tak? So refer pada this one. So this one no equal sign. So this symbol also no equal sign. And the answer need in interval form. Okay. Hilanglah pula. Okay, so tak apalah. So nanti yang tu tadi tu lukis dalam bentuk interval form. So we have actually, okay, so we have just now number 2 over 3, and another one is 14 over 9. Okay, so the answer x less than 2 over 3 union x greater than 14 over 9. Okay, so draw number 9, circle because there is no equal sign, arrow to the left, and here also circle, there is no equal sign, arrow to the right. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so second example for quadratic inequality. Okay, so this one give the number in real number 9. Okay, so 3 minus 2x square greater or equal to 49. So you need to expand this one. So 3 power of 2. So we have 9. And then negative 2x power times 2 times 3. So negative 2x times 2, negative 4x times 3, negative 12x. Okay, so negative 2x power of 2. So we have positive 4x square. Okay, and greater or equal to 49. Okay, so kita tengok kat sini x kuasa 2, simbol dia adalah positif. So better this one we bring to the left. Okay, so we have 4x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 49 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so we have 4x square minus 12x, positive 9 minus 49, so minus 40 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so this one sifar 4, this sifar 4, and this one also sifar 4. Okay, so kita boleh kecilkan. So divide by 4. So you have here 4 divided by 4, 1. So only left x power of 2. Okay, so negative 12 divided by 4, negative 3x. So negative 40 divided by 4, negative 10. Greater or equal to 0 divided by 4, 0. Okay, so factorize. So you have x minus by 5 and x plus 2 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so after that, critical value. So we have x minus 5 equal to 0 and x equal to 5, and another one x plus 2 equal to 0. We have x equal to negative 2. Okay, so draw a line. Okay, so we do an interval table. So put this one negative 2 and here is 5. Okay, so here x minus 5 and x plus 2. Okay, so choose one value before negative 2, let's say negative 3. So between negative 2 and 5, choose 0, and after 5, so choose 6. Okay, so substitute negative 3, 0, and 6 into each of this one, x minus 5 and x plus 2, and obtain the symbol. Okay, so cari simbol dia sahaja. So negative 3 minus 5, so negative 8. Negative 3 plus 2, negative 1, so negative 0 minus 5, negative 5, so negative 0 plus 2, positive, and 6 minus 5, positive, and 6 plus 2, 8 is positive. Okay, next, x minus 5 times by x plus 2. Okay, so darabkan. So darabkan 2 ni, so meaning kita darabkan simbol dia. Negative times by negative, positive. Negative times positive, negative. And positive times positive, we have positive. Okay, so we need this one greater or equal to 0, which is positive. Okay, so therefore we choose the positive region. Positive, positive, which is left side of negative 2 and right side of 5. Okay, so from this one here, actually you can draw directly number line. So -2 and 5. So we have the right side 5. Okay, so we need circle or dot. So refer to this one, there is equal sign. So we put dot to the right side. Okay, so for the -2 also same, dot, and to the left side. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so next, rational inequalities. Okay, so in rational inequalities there is one condition. Okay, so ada satu undang-undang which is cross multiplication cannot do it in this rational inequalities. Okay, so kita tak boleh nak buat cross multiplication. Okay, so kenapa? Why? Because denominator in term of x. Okay, so in term of x minus 2. So x can be any number. Okay, so therefore the symbol for x minus 2 we are not confirmed yet whether it is positive or negative. Okay, so if you cross multiplication here, kita darab. Okay, so x plus 4 greater or equal to 2 times by x minus 2. Okay, so this one we are not confirmed yet it is positive or negative. Okay, so kalau negatif kita kena ubah simbol, kalau positif kita tak ubah. So jadi kat sini kita tak tahu kita kena ubah ataupun tak. Okay, so therefore this is wrong. Okay, so kalau siapa yang buat ni memang terus dapat kosong markah. Okay, so jangan buat. Okay, so macam mana nak selesaikan? Okay, so how to solve? So first, we left the one side just 0. Okay, so bring 2 to the left. Okay, so we have x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 and minus by 2. So greater or equal to 0. Okay, so next, combine these two. So this one is the fraction, first one. And second one number. So gabungkan dia, jadikan satu fraction, become one fraction, single fraction. Okay, so this one 2 is over 1, denominator 1 and here denominator is x minus 2. Okay, so untuk gabungkan kita kena samakan denominator. Okay, so for the second one, this one times by x minus 2. So you have x plus 4 over x minus 2 minus by 2 times by x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so next combine. Okay, so this one negative 2. Okay, so ambil dia sebagai negative 2, expand to this one. Okay, so negative 2 times x, so we have negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 we have positive 4 over x minus 2 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so next we have 4 plus 4 which is 8. And then x minus negative 2x is negative x over x minus 2 greater or equal to 0. Okay, so next we find the critical value. Okay, so critical value, we take the numerator equal to 0. So 8 minus x equal to 0 and you will have x equal to 8. Okay, so for the second, denominator equal to 0. So we have x equal to 2. Okay, so next, same, draw an interval table. Okay, so you have here, which is 8, and here is 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3 side. Okay, so for the first one you have add 8 minus x, and second one we have x minus 2. Okay, so choose any number before 2, which is, let's say, 0, and between 2 and 8, so I choose 4, and after 8 I choose 10. Okay, so substitute 10, 4 and 10 into 8 minus x and x minus 2, and obtain the symbol. Okay, 0, 8 minus 0 is 8, which is positive, and 0 minus 2, negative 2, so negative 4, so 8 minus 4 is 4, positive, and 4 minus 2, which is positive, and 10, 8 minus 10 is negative 2, so negative, 10 minus 2 is 8, which is positive. Okay, so here is 8x divided by x over 2. So 8 tolak x bahagi dengan x tolak 2. Okay, so kita bahagikan simbol dia. Positive divided by negative, so we have negative. Positive divided by positive, we have positive. And negative divided by positive, we have negative. Okay. So next, we need greater or equal to 0. So this one is positive. So we choose the positive symbol. Okay, so meaning the answer is between 2 and 8. Okay, so need the answer in a real number line. Okay, so 2 and 8. Okay, so at 8 we put dot. Okay, okay, so we put dot because kat sini sebab kita ada equal sign. So dekat 2 ni dia ada equal sign, tapi kita tak boleh letak dot, kita kena letak circle. Kita tak boleh ambil 2. Kenapa? Refer pada denominator. So kalau ambil 2, let's say ambil 2, so 2 tolak 2 akan jadi kosong. So apa-apa nombor divide by kosong is undefined. So any number divide by 0, the answer is undefined. Okay, so that's why 2 we cannot take. Okay, so refer to the denominator. Okay, so next, draw a line connecting to this 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so next example. Okay, so find the solution of x minus 1 over 3 plus x less than 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so here we have two parts. First one is fraction, and second part is just x. Okay, so this x is over 1. Okay, so this one kita gabungkan jadi single fraction for the left side, and this one no need to change anything. Okay, so x minus 1 divided by 3 plus by 3x divided by 3. Okay, so nak samakan pembawah. So yang kedua ni kita darabkan dengan 3. Ni pun darabkan dengan 3. So kita akan dapat 3x per 3. So less than 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so next. Okay, so x minus 1 plus 3x. So x minus 1 plus 3x over 3. Okay, so less than 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so x plus 3x, 4x, and then minus 1 divided by 3 less than 2 over x plus 1. Okay, so this one rational inequality, so we cannot do cross multiplication. Okay, so all of this one we bring to the left. Okay, so you will have 4x minus 1 over 3 minus by 2 over x plus 1 less than 0. Okay, so next we have two fraction. Okay, so combine it become single fraction, so you need to make it same the denominator. Okay, so you have 4x minus 1 over 3 times by x plus 1. Okay, so yang bawah darab ni, so yang atas pun kita akan darab dengan x plus 1. And second one, 2 times by 3 divided by 3 times x plus 1 less than 0. Okay, so expand this one, these two. So 4x times x, so we have 4x squared. 4x times positive 1, so we have positive 4x. Negative 1 times x, so we have negative x. Negative 1 times positive 1, so we have positive 1. Okay, so since denominator already same, so you can combine this one. So negative 2 times by 3 is negative 6. Divide by 3x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, so simplify, so you will have 4x squared plus 3x minus 5 divided by 3x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, so kalau kita tengok yang atas tu adalah kuadratik. Okay, so untuk selesaikan yang ni, kalau kita perasan yang tadi tu, tengok bentuk dia. Bentuk dia just 8 minus x, x minus 2. Okay, so for this one also same, x minus 5, x plus 2. Okay, so this one also same, 9x minus 14, 3x minus 2. Okay, so for this one, okay, so therefore for this one, so you need to factorize the numerator in order to have x minus something or 2x minus 5 like that. Okay, so factorize, so you will have, okay, so you will have 4x wait, okay, so here actually I make a mistake. Negative 1 times positive 1, so this one should be negative. Okay, and this one should be negative 7. Okay, so factorize, you have 4x, so 4x plus 7 and x minus 1, okay, over 3x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, so next, find the critical value. Okay, so critical value. Okay, so we have 4x plus 7 equal, so you will have x equal to negative 7 over okay, so critical value. Okay, so we have 4x plus 7 equal to 0. So you have x equal to negative 7 over 4. Second, you have x minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. And third, 3x plus 3 equal to 0, so you have x equal to negative 1. Okay, so next, draw an interval table. Okay, there are three numbers, negative 1, 1, and negative 7 over 4. Okay, so put it here, negative 7 over 4, and then negative 1, and another one is 1. Okay, so here is 4x plus 7, x minus 1, and 3x plus 3. Okay, so choose test value, any value before negative 7 over 4. So I choose negative 3. Okay, so between negative 7 over 4 and negative 1, so I choose negative 1.5. And between negative 1 and 1, choose 0. And last one, after 1, I choose 2. Okay, so next substitute negative 3, negative 1.5, 0, and 2 inside this 3. 1, 2, 3. And take the symbol. So negative 3 times 4, negative 5 plus 7, negative. So negative 3 minus 1, negative. And then 3 times 3, negative 9 plus 3, negative. So negative 1.5 times 4, negative 6, negative 6 plus 7, positive. Okay. So negative 1.5 minus 1 is negative, and negative 1.5 times by 3 is negative 4.5, negative 4.5 plus 3, negative, and then 0, 0 times 4, 0 plus 7, positive, 0 minus 1, negative, 0 plus 3, positive, and last one, 2, so 2, 8 plus 7, positive. Okay, so 2 minus 1, positive, and 2 times 3, 6 plus 3 is positive. Okay, so next, last, we do for x plus 7 times by x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 3. Okay, so yang pertama, darabkan yang kedua, bahagikan dengan yang ketiga. Okay, so negative times negative, positive, positive divide negative, negative. Positive times negative, negative, negative times negative, positive, and positive times negative, negative, negative divided by positive, negative. Positive times positive, positive, positive divided by positive, positive. Okay, so we need, from the previous, we need 4x plus 7 times by x minus 1 over 3x plus 3 less than 0. So this one is negative. So we choose negative region. Okay, so the answer in form, so you can write down x element in. Okay, so first region, left side of negative 7 over 4, meaning from negative infinity until negative 7 over 4. And then second part, so union, negative 1 until 1. So here there is no equal sign, so open bracket. So negative 1 until 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so finish for today. Okay, so finish for this topic. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. See you again later.